Hello, Madam and Sir. My name is Angeline Ibril. I'm 41 years old. You can call me Lynn for short. I'm married with three children. I have five siblings and I'm the eldest sister of all. I live in the city of Manila. I've been a lot of experience working abroad, like Kuwait, Dubai, Taiwan, and recently I work in Hong Kong. I just finished my contract last June 2, 2024. It's my choice not to renew my contract because I need to rest and relax my body and mind. I'm taking care elder grandma. She is a dementia patient together with her one daughter. I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, and a wide patience. Honesty for me is my best policy in life. I do hope, Madam and Sir, to choose me as new hard domestic helper in your family. And as promised, I do my very best and I thank